How do you center text in an HTML paragraph? Imagine you want your words to sit perfectly in the middle of your web page, catching the eye right where you want it. That's where centering text in an HTML paragraph comes into play. It's a simple trick that makes your content look neat and professional. When you write a paragraph in HTML, you can control how the text appears using a style called CSS, which stands for Cascading Style Sheets. The most common way to center text is by using the CSS property called Text Align. Setting this property to center makes the inline content, like words, align horizontally in the middle of its container. For example, if you have a paragraph that says, "This paragraph's text is centered," you can add style directly inside the paragraph tag with style is equal to text align, center. It looks like this: p-style is equal to text align, center. This paragraph's text is. This method is quick and works well for one or a few paragraphs. But if you want to keep your code tidy and reuse the same style for many paragraphs, you can create a CSS class. First, you define a class in the styles section of your HTML document like this: style text, text align, center, /style. Then you apply that class to any paragraph you want centered by adding class is equal to center text inside the paragraph tag. It looks like this: p-class is equal to center text. This paragraph is centered using a CSS class, /p. This way you keep your code clean and easy to update. Remember, the old way of centering text was by using the center tag or the align attribute, like center or align is equal to center. But those are now outdated and no longer part of modern HTML standards. Instead, sticking with CSS is the best way to go. If you want to get fancy and center a paragraph both horizontally and vertically inside a container, you can use modern CSS techniques like Flexbox. For example, you set the container to display as flex, then use justify content and align items to center the content. It's a little more advanced but gives you full control over placement. For beginners, though, the easiest way is to use text align, center, on your paragraph. It's simple, effective, and keeps your web page looking tidy and professional. So, next time you want to make your text stand out in the middle of the page, remember that CSS text align property is your best friend.